Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Novel from Expart. We are here for another beautiful class. In that class, we are just gonna learning this new Adobe Photoshop tools that is known as frame tools. So in that class, we are just gonna learning how to use of frame tools and how to you can cut your images by using your frame tools in few some clicks. So in here, just select this frame tools option. Just select it, and when you just click this frame tools option, you get images like this. So in here, so you see this. This is the rectangular shape, and this is an elliptical shape. So in here, we are just gonna select, and very first, when you just open your images, and it may be locked. So again, it may be locked. You have to unlock your images. So how to do that? Just double click your layer. Just double click your layer. It will be automatic unlocked. Just double click on your layer. That's very simple. If your image is locked, it's not work. So very first you have to unlock your layer. So double click your layer, it will be unlocked. So now we have to just select this frame tools, and now we are just gonna be take this rectangular shape. Just select it and just stick. You see that in a one click this image automatically cut down. This is really very much easy and simple. So you can use your images just up and down. You can resize your images, and now you can also transformation your images. So if you want to make it big, you can do that. So what to do? Just press the Ctrl T. Press the Ctrl T for the free transformation. So if you press the Ctrl T, you see you can increase your images. So now I press the Enter, then I make another copy. So just press the Alter. Again, I told that press the Alter. Just click your mouse, drag and drop like this. Just drag and drop. So you see that? You see we have the another images option. You see in here we have gotten another layer. So in just go to this, and now we are trying to ellipticals. What do I do? So if you get to a perfect shape, just press the Shift. Just select it. Just press Shift, and just it will be cut down. Okay, so it will cut down in a perfect shape. So if I just select your images, so if you want to be selected, just in here you see that this is the frame thumbnail. Select your frame thumbnail, and if you want to edit your if you want to resize your images, you can do that. If you select the images, so you can also select it in that how. So if you want to make it copies, so just make it copy. So in that how, this is really very and simple easy technique. So now just try to something professional. So let's do that. In here you see this is the frame I have downloaded from Google. You can take it from free pick. So in here also we have wall frame, and we have this beautiful dog's image. So we just take it here. So it's not in shape. You see that it's not in accurately in that areas. So what to do? So very first we have to select it. Just select it, and we have to choose the frame tools. Just we have to see this unlock. Yes, just frame tools. Just select it and like that. Okay, so it's done. So now our image we are just turning into this. Okay, you see this? It's really automatically just cut it and perfect areas and perfect shape. So in that how it's very easy and simple technique. So you can any kind of add your images or any kind of wall frame in some clicks. So this is really very easy and simple technique. So this is how you can make a mock-up, your own mock-ups into any kind of things. So this is really very easy and simple technique. So one more thing for your more clarification, let's try another. So we have this one. So we have this infographic, and we want to cut, and we have this infographic. So we want to cut this shape. So we want to put any kind of images in that shape. So just I think this may be bad resolution. So you can download your own photos from Google and try to download a good resolution. Just select it and just choose the ellipticals. Press the Shift, and then it will be. If it's not cut, just this is your image. Just throw it in here. So if it's not cut, you select this select the frame tools, and also you press the shift and get this elliptical tools not work. So in here you see this is the your frame thumbnail, and this is the your frames here. So this is the indicate frame layer thumbnail, so indicates. So this indicates the indicator give you the indicate if you have the layer. So just this is the layer, in here layer, just this is the layer, just click it and drag and drop this frame area, indicator frame area, just boom, it will be cut is the face. Okay, so you can cut it frame like this. So in that how you can put a one images one by one, so like this. So if it is transparent, so you can see this background images. So this how this frame tools work. And that's it for today's, and see you next class. So if you have any kind of confusion, you can take a write down. So every single class I just try to be something more professionals and very easy and simple way. So if you don't have any kind of knowledge in this software, you can learn it. So Expart need your support. If you think that's worth your time, so whatever it is, press the subscribe button and keep supporting us. We can make this family bigger. Thank you so much.